Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the Xbox app and signing into the same Microsoft account that made the captures. Once done, make sure the app is updated and game DVR or background recording is enabled in settings, because captures are only saved when those features are on. Next, open the capture or game bar section so you can access recorded clips quickly. This initial check saves time later. Don't skip it, since missing permissions or outdated apps are the most common blockers. You'll use the captures view inside the Xbox app or the Xbox game bar to locate files. First, in the app, go to Captures or a Manage Captures option and choose Show in Folder. This reveals the files in File Explorer. Alternatively, press Win+G to open Game Bar, open the Capture widget, then select the folder icon. If you prefer direct navigation, go to the video's /captures folder or your custom save location set in the app. This is how you connect the UI to actual files. You finish by exporting or copying captures to a project folder or external drive and then organize by game or date. This prevents accidental overwrites. If you need to edit, use a simple editor to trim clips and always keep the original file. If captures don't appear, check folder permissions and storage space, then sign out and back into the Xbox app or reinstall it as a last resort. These steps resolve most errors and ensure you can always find and preserve your recordings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.